Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you how I make this delicious chicken chow mein. So stick around and enjoy the video. So here I have all my vegetables that I will be using in my dish. So I have my pakchoi, carrots, onion, garlic, tomatoes, bell pepper, and some broccoli. So we're just going to get right into washing our vegetables. So I did add some salt to the water and I leave them for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so here I have one small chicken breast and one small chicken thigh that I cleaned and sliced thinly, and these are the seasoning that I'll be using. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and black pepper. I will list the full ingredients down below. So we're just going to mix this so everything can marinate. I'll leave it for at least 20 minutes. And here I'm just adding in about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Okay, and once all our veggies are washed, now I will be cutting our vegetables. And here are all the veggies, guys, once they are all cut to my desired liking. So now we're going to just move on to our next step. Okay, so now here to my pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil just to saute our chicken for at least 8 minutes. Okay, so now after about 8 minutes, I'm going to be removing our chicken from the pan. Okay, and this is the brand noodle that I'm using. So I'm just going to cook this according to the package, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. I did add about a teaspoon of salt to my water, and then I'm adding my noodles. Okay, so now to the same pan, I'm adding in my seasonings. So I'm going to be sauteing this for at least 2 minutes. I'm adding first my onion and garlic, my scallion and tomato, and I also added some Scotch bonnet pepper, as you may have saw in the beginning where I was cutting up my seasonings. So I'm just sauteing this for at least a minute. Okay, so the first set of vegetables that I added was my broccoli and carrots because the pak choi will cook very quickly. So we're going to saute this first for at least a minute or two. And here I'm adding in at least 2 teaspoons of butter. It's not a lot because I don't really like a lot of grease. So I'm just adding in just enough just to keep the vegetables from sticking. And now I'm just going to go in with my pakchoi, and this will cook in at least 2 minutes because we don't want to make our vegetables too soft. Okay, so here I'm adding in a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, so here I'm just re-adding in my chicken, and I did add some bell peppers to it as well. Okay, so I added the bell peppers last because I want them to be a bit crunchier. Okay, so once my noodles were cooked, I did strain the water off, and then I'm going to be adding it to my vegetables here. Okay, so we're just going to be tossing everything around for maybe about a minute or so. Okay, so here I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I did add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to the soy sauce before I add it to the pan. So we're just going to be mixing everything around and allow everything to incorporate with the soy sauce. This will take about a minute. Okay, and we're coming down to the final stage. So this is where you do your taste test just to see if you need any more seasonings. For me, it was okay, so I didn't add anything else. This is a really simple dish, guys, and it's really delicious. All right, so I hope you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. Okay, so here I am just about to turn out the flames because it's all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.